5.2 Prime numbers. Guna and Ansu want to pack fix Anjeer that grow in their farm. Guna wants to put 12 figs in each box. And Ansu wants to put 7 figs in each box. How many arrangements are possible? Think and find out the different ways how. 1. Guna can arrange 12 figs in a rectangular manner. 2. Ansu can arrange 7 figs in a rectangular manner. Guna has listed out these possibilities. Observe the number of rows and columns in each of the arrangements. How are they related to 12? In the second arrangement, for example, 12 figs are arranged in 2 columns of 6 each, or 12 is equal to 2 into 6. Ansu could make only one arrangement. 7 into 1 or 1 into 7. There are no other rectangular arrangements possible. In each of Guna's arrangements, multiplying the number of rows by the number of columns gives the number 12. So, the number of rows or columns are factors of 12. We saw that the number 12 can be arranged in a rectangle in more than one way, as 12 has more than 2 factors. The number 7 can be arranged in only one way, as it has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. Numbers that have only 2 factors are called prime numbers or primes. Here are the first few primes: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Notice that the factors of a prime number are 1 and the number itself. What about numbers that have more than 2 factors? They are called composite numbers. The first few composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. What about 1? Which has only one factor. The number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. How many composite numbers are there from 21 to 30?
How many composite numbers are there from 21 to 30?
Can we list all the prime numbers from 1 to 100?
Can we list all the prime numbers from 1 to 100?
Here is an interesting way to find prime numbers.
Here is an interesting way to find prime numbers.
Just follow the steps given below and see what happens.
Just follow the steps given below and see what happens.
Step 1.
Step 1.
Cross out 1 because it is neither prime or composite.
Cross out 1 because it is neither prime or composite.
Step 2.
Step 2.
Circle 2
Circle 2.
and then cross out all multiples of 2 after that.
And then cross out all multiples of 2 after that.
That is 4, 6, 8 and so on.
That is 4, 6, 8 and so on.
Step 3.
Step 3.
You will find that the next uncrossed number is 3.
You will find that the next uncrossed number is 3.
Circle 3 and then cross out all the multiples of 3 after that.
Circle 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3 after that.
That is 6, 9, 12 and so on.
That is 6, 9, 12 and so on.
Step 4.
Step 4.
The next uncrossed number is 5.
The next uncrossed number is 5.
Circle 5 and then cross out all the multiples of 5 after that.
Circle 5 and then cross out all the multiples of 5 after that.
That is 10, 15, 20 and so on.
That is 10, 15, 20 and so on.
Step 5.
Step 5.
Continue this process till all the numbers
Continue this process till all the numbers
in the list are either circled or crossed out.
in the list are either circled or crossed out.
All the circled numbers are prime numbers.
All the circled numbers are prime numbers.
All the crossed out numbers
All the crossed out numbers
other than 1
other than 1
are composite numbers.
are composite numbers.
This method is called the sieve of Eratosthenes.
This method is called the sieve of Eratosthenes.
This procedure can be carried on
This procedure can be carried on
for numbers greater than 100 also. Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician
Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician
who lived around 2200 years ago.
who lived around 2200 years ago
And developed this method of listening prime.
and developed this method of listening prime.
It is definitely not some magic.
It is definitely not some magic.
There should be a reason why it works.
There should be a reason why it works.
Guna and Ansu started wondering
Guna and Ansu started wondering
how this simple method is able to find prime numbers.
how this simple method is able to find prime numbers.
Think how this method works.
Think how this method works.
Read the steps given above again and see
Read the steps given above again and see
what happens after each step is carried out.
what happens after each step is carried out.
Figure it out. 1. We see that 2 is a prime and also an even number.
We see that 2 is a prime and also an even number.
Is there any other even prime?
Is there any other even prime?
2.
2.
Look at the list of primes till 100.
Look at the list of primes till 100.
What is the smallest difference between two successive primes?
What is the smallest difference between two successive primes?
What is the largest difference?
What is the largest difference?
3.
3.
Are there n equal numbers of primes
Are there any equal numbers of primes?
occurring in every row in the table on the previous page?
Occurring in every row in the table on the previous page.
Which decades have the least numbers of primes?
Which decades have the least number of primes?
Which have the most number of primes?
Which have the most number of primes?
Primes through the ages.
Primes through the ages.
Prime numbers are the building blocks of all whole numbers.
Prime numbers are all the building blocks of all whole numbers.
Starting from the time to the Greek civilization,
Starting from the time of the Greek civilization,
more than 2000 years ago,
more than 2000 years ago,
to this day,
to this day,
mathematicians are still struggling
mathematicians are still struggling
to uncover their secrets.
to uncover their secrets.
Food for thought:
Food for thought.
is there a largest prime number,
Is there a largest prime number?
or does the list of prime numbers
Or does the list of prime numbers
go on without an end?
go on without an end?
A mathematician named Euclid found the answer.
A mathematician named Euclid found the answer.
And so will you in a later class.
And so will you in a later class.
Fun fact:
Fun fact.
the largest prime number
The largest prime number
that anyone has written down is so large that
that anyone has written down is so large that
it would take around 6,500 pages to write it.
it would take around 6,500 pages to write it.
So they could only write it on a computer.
So they could only write in a computer.
4.
4.
Which of the following numbers are primes?
Which of the following numbers are prime?
23, 51, 37, 26.
23, 51, 37, 26.
5.
5.
Write 3 pairs of prime numbers less than 20
Write 3 pairs of prime numbers less than 20
whose sum is a multiple of 5.
whose sum is a multiple of 5.
6.
6.
The numbers 13 and 31 are primes numbers.
The number 13 and 31 are prime numbers.
Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3.
Both these same numbers, same digit 1 and 3.
Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100.
Find such pairs of prime number up to 100.
7.
7.
Find 7 consecutive composite numbers between 1 and 100.
Find 7 consecutive composite number between 1 and 100.
8.
8.
Twin primes are pairs of primes having a difference of 2.
Twin primes are pairs of primes having a difference of 2.
For example,
For example,
3 and 5 are twin primes.
3 and 5 are twin primes.
So are 17 and 19.
So are 17 and 19.
Find the other twin primes between 1 and 100.
Find the other number twin prime between 1 and 100.
9.
9.
Identify whether each statement is true or false.
Identify whether each statement is true or false.
Explain.
Explain.
A.
A.
There is no prime numbers whose units digit is 4.
There is no prime numbers whose unit is 4.
B.
B.
A product of primes can also be prime.
A product of prime can also be a prime.
C.
C.
Prime numbers do not have any factors.
Prime numbers do not have any factors.
D.
D.
All even numbers are composite numbers.
All even numbers are composite numbers.
E.
E.
2 is a prime and so is the next number.
2 is a prime and so is the next number.
3.
3.
For every other prime,
For every other prime,
the next number is composite.
the next number is composite.
10. Which of the following numbers
Which of the following numbers
is the product of exactly 3 distinct primes numbers?
is the product of exactly 3 distinct prime numbers?
45, 60, 91, 105, 330.
45, 60, 91, 105, 330.
11.
11.
How many 3-digit prime numbers
How many 3-digit prime numbers
can you make using each of 2, 4 and 5 ones?
can you make using each of 2, 4 and 5 ones?
12.
12.
Observe that 3 is a prime number
Observe that 3 is a prime number
and 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 is also a prime.
and 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 is also prime.
Add their other primes for which doubling and adding 1
Are there other primes for which doubling and adding 1
gives another prime?
gives another prime?
Find at least 5 such examples.
Find at least 5 such examples.